Hi, it's Mitz from My Life Mitz. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today is going to be a quick unboxing from a recent Chic Sparrow sale that I participated in. The reason behind purchasing this is because I want to get rid of this. This is like a zipper binder or a zipper pouch in a way. It holds all of my kids' medical things, and it's, as you can see, not very, it's kind of raggedy. I hate the fact that when I unzip it, it doesn't open all the way, and it drives me insane because every time I try and get something, it's always flipping back and forth like that. So I'm hoping that I could use this Chic Sparrow to house all of my medical things for my kids. So let's open it up. I'm not going to share with you the invoice or anything like that, but there was a December sale, I think, for folios as well as traveler's notebooks, and so I definitely participated in that sale. Let me show you the card here. Oh, I don't know if I've seen this one before, but it talks about the leather and what kind of leather they use, and I will leave it up here so that you can pause and read that. I'm not sure if there, oh yeah, there is a sticker. Very, very pretty sticker there. So let's see what I got. I'm very excited. And I think there was an announcement that some of the pouches, they ran out, and they had to replace them with different types of pouches. I'm not 100% sure, but usually they have like a little tag, like a Chic Sparrow tag, but still very, very nice. So here it is. Oh, here is the traveler's notebook. It's really nice. Oh, it's really nice. So I got the Deluxe Tea House Earl Grey in A5. I did say even toned if possible, like no striations or fat rolls, and I said that I don't mind. Scratches or anything like that. So because it is a deluxe, it has one nice big secretary pocket here with the pen loop. So it's still stiff because it's still, of course, brand new, so it looks like that. And then with the deluxe, you have one big pocket here, and then three here, 3 credit card slots. I think the credit card slots would be handy for my kids. They give us, depending on the clinic you go to, they give you, you know, separate credit cards, separate membership cards, or I don't know what the word I'm looking for is, but they give you the cards specific to the clinic, and I think that would be very handy to have. You can leave notes in the order section, like after you order you can leave notes. And oh, this is really nice. This is the logo, Chic Sparrow, made in the USA. I love the fact that the stitching is now similar color to the leather. I think prior there was contrast stitching, and I'm not a big fan of contrast stitching, so I do appreciate that the stitching is now kind of blends in with the leather, and it's not too wide or too stark. The stitching looks perfect, and they do the double stitching here to kind of close it off, so it's in a discreet area. It's not like, you know, in the front somewhere here or something like that, which I appreciate. And yeah, I'm just looking at the stitching. Really nice, and I really like the fact that this is not too thick and not too heavy at all for an A5 size. Because when it becomes like A5, when the size gets bigger, it's harder to carry around, like it's heavier to carry around, and when you have two young little ones and you have to carry, you know, their cups and things, their drinks and snacks and diapers, it gets really heavy. And in Japan here, I travel, my mode of transportation is bicycle, so I really don't want to have to lug around a huge thing on my back while I try and transport two kids. But anyways, let's see if I can move some things into the traveler's notebook. Sorry, my washing machine is going on, so you might hear some noises in the background. But I've been trying to get a replacement, one of these like A5 replacements, and I don't know, I haven't seen anything that I like. So I'm really hoping that this works out. So each child has their like health book, and it includes all of their vaccinations and doctor visits, like the annual doctor visits and checkups and things like that. It has their dental records in here. It's really interesting how they have this like all-in-one type of medical notebook for each child. And the Japanese one is actually really small. I want to say it's like an A6 size, maybe. This A6, so yeah, like it would be half. Maybe it's even smaller actually, like passport size. I don't know, but it's quite small. The English version of it has both English and Japanese, so I guess it's a lot bigger. And then it has like, let me show you if I can show you. It has like different translations, which is really, really neat. So testing, it has like the Japanese. I wish they would have like the, how should I say, the saying of what the kanji says, like, because I cannot read this. Well, I guess I could just point to that and they would read the Japanese. But yeah, like types of pain, and it's very, very interesting and very helpful as well. Also, the kids get like, from the city, they have these little medical cards where you give to the clinic, and then so you don't have to pay for the medical fees along with your private insurance. So I think I want to just, this is going to be difficult because I don't want to share any personal information. So let me try and put these notebooks in there. So here it is. It is perfect. Oh, this makes me so happy. I'm so glad that these ones are in here. I just need a folder of some sorts that I can put in so that I can stick the various like small cards and papers. But I can definitely stick some of the cards in these 3 slots. I can stick some papers in here as well. It's perfect. It's a lot better than this thing. As you can see, it doesn't stay open, and this drives me so insane. Like even if I fold it backwards, it's every time I try and open it up and try and get something from one of these pockets, it just kind of flips closed on me, and it just drives me insane. And I've been using it for several years now. So I think it's time to move into something like this, where I can easily grab the child's notebook and cards, and it's all in one beautiful leather case. So that's that. I hope you enjoyed this really quick unboxing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.